I love fabrics. Can you tell? Oh my goodness. I'm just so excited to bring you some of these. And again, I'm gearing them towards 112, making 112, and then of course, good transitional fabrics. So this is obviously perfect for 112. This mesh would be amazing. I paired it with a white because, oh, I'm sorry, this, I should tell you, sorry. This is has stretch in one direction. It is a cotton poly blend. This is 100% cotton. I paired it with the white because it's so fresh, and then of course you could do a white pair of jeans, blue jeans, either way it would just look beautiful. This has stretch in one direction. This is 100% cotton knit. It's just lovely. Great drape. This is the cotton we're all going to be looking for all summer, and we're not going to be able to find it because it's here. And I don't know how much more I'll have, but anyway, love the orange mesh. This is what we had the other night. I just love pairing it with white. I think it's just clean and crisp and beautiful. And again, this would be perfect for the 112. This is a cotton poly blend. It has stretch in one direction. This is the orange ribbing, which again is beautiful, pairs perfectly in here. These oranges and whites, navies I put together because they're so pretty together. This ribbing is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. You can see, look at the beautiful drape it has. This is a cotton poly. Love the camo. Love the camo, especially with the contemporary version of what they've done with it. The orange, the yellows, the greens, all these current colors, which are fresh and clean. That camo is beautiful. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions and great drape, great feel. It's soft. I mean, pajamas would be amazing. It's really nice. And then we have a little bit left of our Pontoroma. This is an orange Pontoroma. Very pretty. Again, this is a cotton poly blend. I believe it's a cotton poly. Yeah, cotton poly blend. Stretch in both directions though. Isn't that beautiful? And great drape. And again, it just feels luscious. Absolutely beautiful. So there you have it. Again, great transitional fabrics. Great for pattern number 112, which we'll do Tuesday night. And we'll see you there. Happy sewing.